Hello YouTube, this is another unboxing. This unboxing is for Shoe Dazzle. This is a subscription of $39.95 and it carries shoes and accessories. So let's see what I have today. It is a bag. There we go. And let's open this up. This was on sale. It normally costs, I think it was $120. It's called Beverly Burgundy. And then I got a 40% off on that. So here you go. Snake skin. Burgundy color. With the little tassels. Let's see what it looks like on the inside. Kind of compact there. Let's see if I can stretch it out here so I can stand up. And it has this is the bottom, and it has the strap if you want to carry that like that. There you go. Burgundy on the inside, burgundy snakeskin on the outside. And it's called Beverly Burgundy. And they no longer sell it. I got the last one. There we go. And it's from Shoe Dazzle. ShoeDazzle.com. I'll leave the link below. Until the next unboxing, this is, I think, one of the shortest videos I've had. Like my page. Subscribe. Until the next unboxing, ShoeDazzle.com.